Welcome to the world of global B2B manufacturing in 2025, where buyers search before they speak. Whether you're exporting automotive parts, chemicals, machinery, or precision tools, your digital presence is your first handshake. At Nebula, we help Indian manufacturers win global markets with export-ready digital strategies. We specialize in working with sectors like oil and gas equipment manufacturing, pharmaceutical equipment manufacturing, auto components, specialty chemicals, heavy equipment, and CNC, engineering, and more. Why does digital marketing matter now more than ever? Because international buyers research, compare, and evaluate you online before you even get the chance to pitch. Our SEO for export visibility ranks you for high-intent searches across USA, Europe, UAE, and Africa. We run account-based marketing campaigns, performance-driven Google and LinkedIn ads laser-focused on real OEM, EPC buyers, and procurement teams. Lead generation isn't just a buzzword, it's your growth engine. We design full-funnel systems to turn visitors into RFQs. Our content marketing? Built for your industry technical blogs, product stories, capability decks, and case studies. We redesign and optimize your website for international buyers, multilingual, mobile-first, and trust-focused. At Nebula, every campaign is personalized to your goals, your geographies, your buyer profiles. We've helped Indian manufacturers grow across 26+ countries, and we're just getting started. Ready to expand your export business digitally? Let's build your global growth engine together.